In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity Presidential Massage Chair. The only tool required for assembly is a screwdriver, which comes included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, the first step is installing the arm sections. Start by resting the arm on the edge of the chair using your body for support while you connect the white plug on the side of the chair to the white connection port on the inside of the arm, ensuring the thumb clip on the plug is facing up and towards the back. Next, connect both air hoses to their respective nozzles according to the numbers labeled on each. Then, lift up the arm at an angle. Place the rear elbow on the arm into the opening on the chair and fit the plastic cover of the arm over the metal bracket on the side of the chair, securing it into place. Next, moving the hip airbags out of the way, locate the hole on the inside of the arm and tighten the captive screw already inside firmly into place. Finally, cover the hole with the rubber plug from the bag of parts. Before moving on to the next step, the leg rest installation, you'll need to bring the chair into the upright position. In order to do so, plug the chair's power cord into the port on the back side of the base of the chair and flip the power switch to on. The chair should then automatically incline into the upright position. Next, plug the remote into the port next to the right hip airbag and hand screw in tightly. Once the chair is upright, bring the leg rest up to the front of the chair. Slide the air hose over the connection nozzle and connect both white plugs to their respective ports with their clip sides facing in. Next, slide the axle bushings provided with the chair parts onto the axles on both sides of the leg rest with their lips facing in. Then, flip up both latches on the sides of the housing on the chair. Lift up the leg rest and place the axles into the open latches, allowing the latches to flip back over the axles. Then, screw both latches tightly into place. Finally, zipper the leg rest flap to the zipper underneath the seat cushion. If not already, attach the remote holder to the Velcro on the underside of the right arm. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity Presidential Massage Chair. In order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the Hot Rocks program. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.